Hello, all aboard. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new LS2 Advant 2. Come on, let's go. So, the new Advant 2. I'd like to let you all know, in case you didn't, that this helmet is a flip back helmet, which means if we open up the chin bar, we can rotate it all the way to the back. Now, these helmets don't claim or aim to be the smallest or the lightest. In fact, this one weighs around 1750 grams in the smallest shell size, which is one of 3 shell sizes, and the outer shell is made from KPA, which is kinetic polymer alloy, which is basically polycarbonate with aramid reinforcements. Now, when you look at this helmet, you can see that they have made efforts to keep the chin bar as close to the shell as they possibly can and keep the whole rotational system very slim, because it is actually quite small considering other helmets of the same type, and comparing them to those, it does actually do a good job at keeping itself small. So that's a big thumbs up to LS2. Another thing I like is the stainless steel ratchet on the bottom over here and the strap that actually has a magnet to keep it in place. Something else they've done, if we close the chin bar again, we've just opened it, yeah, well now we're closing it. There we go. You will see that the visor goes down like so, no different to any other helmet. So you may think. It actually seals into place and has a magnet to keep it there. So you can't just open the visor and it won't just fly open with any old hard wind. You have to press this button and then push it up. It has a little ventilation notch, and then after that it's sort of free for all until it gets to the top, but it feels sturdy and durable, so it should do the job. And the fact that it seals is very nice because it will do a good job of keeping out the wind and of course the rain, which is very nice because you won't get wet and there'll be less noise inside of the helmet. Now, this helmet won't be the quietest helmet per se, although the lining does do quite a good job of wrapping around the bottom of your head and neck, and that lining is a Coolmax interior, which means it will dry very quickly, and also you should be sweating less within this helmet. The vents can be found, of course, on the front, one over here, and we have one on the top, which moves also in one notch, and on the back we have the outlet over here. Now, that's nothing special, a lot of helmets have this, but what is special is that all of the vents and the spoiler on the back and even the mechanism cover on the side has all been made from carbon fibre, as you can see. Now, this has been done to keep the weight of the helmet down. I must say, if we would take these parts off of the helmet and put them next to regular plastic parts or maybe even metal, I don't think it'd be a massive difference. But then again, anything you can do to keep a bit of weight down is something you can do to keep a bit of weight down. Apart from all of these features, of course, this helmet has a PGA homologation rating, which means you can use the helmet with the chin bar down like so for a full face helmet configuration, but also with the chin bar rotated all the way to the back to use it as a modular helmet. Of course, the flip back mechanism itself is a big plus, because if you have a regular traditional flip up helmet, the chin bar will be at the top of the helmet like so, catching all of the wind and thus yanking at your head when you're doing higher speeds. With the helmet like this, the wind will go past the shell much easier and will be more of a delight to ride with at those higher speeds. Apart from the outer visor, of course, this helmet also features a sun visor which can be operated with the clutch hand on the left side, and it is also prepared for a communication system, quite specifically LS2's communication system, which is made by Cardo. And last but not least, it's worth mentioning that this helmet has an intermediate oval shape and fit. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video on the new Advant 2. I hope that you now have a better idea of this helmet and might know if this is the right or the wrong one for you. Have any questions running around, knocking about in your head? Don't worry, drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to make me and the monkey very happy, and the full company, of course, will all be smiling. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any of our future content. You can find this helmet along with all the colours and the prices on Fortumoto.com, where you will find a vast collection of motorcycle helmets and, of course, motorcycle clothing. And we do hope to see you again next time. So thank you very much and cheerio.